Hey, hello, I'm Yolo. This is a special little video. I'm a little bit scared to give a speech like that. As usual, it's just me and my work, but right now, everything I want is just to talk to you. Today is an amazing day. We hit 500 subscribers. Yay! I appreciate your support so much, so I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for watching my videos and subscribing. It means the whole world to me. Without you, I wouldn't have strength to do what I do. By the way, perhaps soon we will be giving a community tab. If you have any ideas what I should post there, please share them with me. I will be very grateful. Holy moly, our channel is now 500 subscribers big. It's unbelievable. I'm so happy. Thank you. Thank you so much.